Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a bit different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't matter, or you don't even care about, just to stretch the video to 15 minutes, I'm just going to straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs when websites aren't working, and a few important things about each. That way you can just pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab my full research doc for free and check it out anytime this year. No joke. Alright, let's dive in. Top 3 VPN services that fix websites not working and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best when websites act up with VPNs. Why? Well, it actually lets you access sites without blocks or errors, which is super important. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested, with rock-solid connections, zero downtime, and quick load times even on tough sites. Features, it's got the most features out of any VPN: kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it. It keeps websites loading safely and reliably. Pricing and support, affordable for what it offers, plus top-notch support. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't, that's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no access issues, and pretty cheap for what you get. Negatives, there's a 10 device limit. Second best for when websites won't load with VPN is IPVanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for strong, reliable connections. Speed, incredibly fast with consistent unblocking power. No timeouts, no interruptions, just smooth site access. Features, it covers the essentials, a reliable kill switch and split tunneling. Perfect if you want to route only your browser traffic through the VPN or the other way around. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than competitors, but still delivers top performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? No logs. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Top notch, AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which can make privacy geeks nervous. But their no logs audit checks out. Also, the server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, secure, and easy to set and forget. Perfect hassle-free access when sites won't load. Third best for website issues with VPN is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? It's got a massive server network and tons of customization to get around any site block. Speed, very good. The huge server network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server to load sites quick. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, a great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here to tailor your web access. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium VPN on this list. Support's solid and professional. Logs, nope. Their no logs policy has actually been proven in court. Encryption, the best tech available and even customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. Also, the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. The best pick if you're on a budget, but still want a huge network and advanced features to fix sites not loading. And that's it. My top 3 picks for when websites aren't working with VPN: NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one based on their colors or logos, you'll be more than fine. They just work perfectly when websites won't load. Quick recap, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN to fix websites, with a premium experience, the most features, and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that's incredible value for the price. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a huge server network and tons of advanced features to bypass site blocks. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.